Hey everybody, Dave Williamson, the Toy Car Collector. Check it out, I'm in the basement, and this is where I store my yet to be opened Hot Wheels, Chevys, Corvettes, Camaros, Chevys, Dodge, Mustangs, Pontiacs, and fantasy cars. Each one of these boxes has about 60 cars in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 300 cars that I have not opened yet. I need to get started on it, so join me as I get started opening muscle cars. These things are from all different years. Over the last 20 years, I've been saving them. I've been buying them at conventions, getting them at collectible shops and whatnot, and I haven't opened them yet, but let's get started on it right now. All right, this first box has the Buicks, the AMC's 55 and 57 Chevys, and also Camaros. So let's get up here and take a look here. Now this is how I store my regular Hot Wheels in these clear plastic boxes, semi-clear, opaque, I suppose you would say. Works very well, and these are my collection. So let's first take a look at AMC AMX. Now the AMC, I always get this mixed up. AMC AMX Javelin. Look at this black one with the silver. How's the lighting so far? Looks pretty good. I think it's pretty good. How's the focus? Pretty good. Pretty good. This one looks like it was made around 2008, 2009. I'm really disappointed that they haven't done this car more. Maybe they haven't. I've just not noticed it. But I've got this one already in the black with the silver stripe. That's a good looking muscle car right there. Look at that. That is a beauty. So at one time I looked at these and I thought, you know, it'd be really cool to put some rubber tires on an AMC. If you've done that, let me know. I'd like to see what that would look like. Here's the orange one. Now I'm not going to open up the ones I've already got, but gosh, these are so cool. They are just so cool. And let's see, do I have this one brown? Yes, I do. I do have the brown. Let's make sure we got a good one. Look at that brown with that stripe. This is a beautiful, beautiful Hot Wheels car. It's funny how these things, sometimes you don't appreciate them when they first come out, but then years later, they just seem so nice. This one's a 2011 right there. And it looks like I've already got all of these. Here's the green. What a beauty. What a beauty. I may list some of these for sale on my website, but if I do, they're going to be in larger groups because obviously I can't deal with $10 sales, stuff like that. I like big sales, big sales. So let's take a look. I didn't have any to open. Here we go with the focus. I didn't have any to open, so let's take a look at the colors that I do have on the AMC Javelin. Look at this green. Look at this green. How's that going to work out? Look at that beauty. Oof. Not so bad with the gold wheels even. Here's a blue one. Look at that. Have you seen this one before? Wow. That is a beauty. That is a beauty. I got two of the green ones in here, it looks like. I've got the red. Here's the red. AMC. Look at that. So cool. Beauty. Beauty, eh? It's a beauty, eh? And then, of course, the orange and the green. Orange and the green and the black and the red. Take down the green. Here's the red. Look at that red. Wow. That is so pretty. And this blue. Holy smokes. Have you seen this one? Have you seen this one? This one's got the goofy wheels. When I first saw this one, I thought, you know, what I need to do is I need to take this apart and swap out the base with the regular wheels that I like. And I even bought the tools and stuff to do that, but I just don't have time or desire to do that. So it's just going to have to sit like that with these goofy wheels. Do they even use these anymore? They roll really well. Haven't seen these in a while. I don't keep up on all the different wheel styles. Oh, we missed out the brown one. Brown AMC. Wow, that is cool. All right, that is nice. I'm going to take a picture of all these together and insert it right here in the video. Okay, that was cool. Now let's move on to the Buicks. Buicks, only two Buicks that I'm familiar with. One is the Buick GSX, the 70 Buick GSX. What a gorgeous model. Look at that. Another fantastic muscle car. Let's look in my box and see what's in the collection already. This one's a more of a special edition, one of the higher dollar cars. It is the white with rubber tires. I think it comes from one of those Walmart sets or something. I couldn't really say. I just picked these up at the convention, and when I spot them and I like them, I get them. And then we've got all these. We got yellow, orange, black, green, or red, blue. Look at all these wonderful colors. Let's see if we have any new colors. Anything on the other side of the case either? You know, actually there is on the other side of the case. There's a few more, so I'm gonna have to reorganize this, reorganize. Here's a couple more GSX. This is in the Camaro section. Everything needs to be redone. Probably need to part with some of these cars. I'll put them in little groups, I suppose, would be the way to go. What'd I drop? Okay, so GSX, let's see, we got 2 of the green metal flake, got 3 of the blue ones. Holy smokes, I just keep buying the same cars over and over. That's because I like them so much. But I don't have the purple one. Did not have the purple. This one's from about 2012. And there she is. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's pretty. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I'll have individual pictures of these cars somewhere too. Can't really say where right now, but that one's going to go in there. That's going to look real good. Then there's another one of the red ones. See how beautiful that is in the package? You just don't see as many beautiful Hot Wheels like that anymore. And if they do come out, somebody takes them all, I think. That is a beauty. Here's the green again. Look at that in the package. It's fabulous. Over there, it's fabulous. Over here, it's, I think, even more fabulous in that package. Wow, I wish I could keep every one. Uh-oh, here we go. Here's a new one. Snowflake card, 2009, new model, white. Do not have this one. Do not have it. White. Look at that. So beautiful in that card. Oh, my gosh. But it's going to have to come out. Buick GSX in white. It's pretty much like this one. Very similar. Very similar. This one adds a little red trim and the rubber tires. And that bump is bigger. That's funny. Why would they do that so much differently? Oh, no, it's not bigger. It's just, it is a little bigger. The bump. I don't know. Maybe it's just, yeah, maybe it's just the way it's painted. Yeah, it feels a little bigger. Interesting. So there we go. How many different colors do we have in the Buick? Let's see. We've got the white, we've got the red, the yellow. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Take out the duplicates. Take out the duplicates. You know, I even add some of these sometimes. I'm not real crazy about when they really goof them up like this. But it's, I think this car should actually be kept somewhere else with other goofy cars. I don't know. What do you think? Should it go in here with these cars? With this one of each kind? My favorite. Or should it go somewhere else in a special box with other cars that could have been great, but they goofed them up? But this, I would say, goofed up in a good way. Blue interior, blue and green. Very creative. Very creative. Not so bad, I guess, but it just doesn't go with all that. So I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to start a new collection of just cars that they've goofed up a little bit, even though they still look good. So how many do we have? Do we have just this many? A lot less than I thought. Only got 7 different variations of the Buick GSX. Seems like I should have more, but I guess that's it. All right, so that's Buick GSX. How are we doing on time? Do we got time for another model? No, let's end it here. We'll start on Camaros on the next video. So thanks for joining me on this AMC Javelin AMX and Buick G. Oh, wait a minute. What about Buick Riviera? That's right. The Buick Riviera, not one that I collect. I'm not sure how many they've made, but check this out. Check this out. Here's a couple that they have made in the Buick Riviera. Again, I would classify these as the goofy cars because they don't look like real cars. They're a little too fancy. Got goofy wheels, but look how nice they look. Still, it's a nice pair of Buick Rivieras. They haven't done any, have they done anything fabulous with the Riviera yet? Real looking? I don't know. I've not seen anything. Oh, wait a minute. Still got, nope. All right, here we go. We did have one more Buick GSX I failed to open. This one, I wish they wouldn't do those wheels, but they do it. And now let's see, where is this car going to go? It's got a beautiful paint job in this blue with yellow stripes. Pretty fabulous. If not for these wheels. But can I put it in here with these? No. Wait a minute. There it is. No, I cannot put it in there with those. It's too goofy looking. I got to put this in the goofball section with the other goofy cars like this one. So there we go. We'll start the second collection over here with the Buicks in the goofy. And that's all for the Buick Riviera, Buick GSX, and AMC Javelin AMX. Thanks for joining me for this quick muscle car video. And join me for about 20 more muscle car videos brought to you by Dave Williamson, the Toy Car Collector, where I specialize in early redline Hot Wheels. And I just love Hot Wheels of all kinds, so I got those too, but not for sale usually. Might be a few of these. You never know. Check out my website, ToyCarCollector.com. Thank you.